Hello,
Uh,
I'm Ayadelis as your examiner in the speaking test in IELTS, and you have to answer some questions for me, okay? And the first question is, could you tell
okay, okay.
me your full name, please?
My name is Muhammad Raka Gafara Kurnia.
Okay. What shall I call you? What is your nickname?
Uh, what? Can you repeat?
What is your nickname? What shall I call you?
Just Raka or maybe Ka.
Ka. Okay, Raka ya. Where are you from, Raka?
I'm from Tasikmalaya.
Tasikmalaya. Can you show me your identification?
Oh, of course.
Okay, please show me. Okay, accept it. And then, okay, this is the first part of IELTS speaking test. And the first question is, Raka, do you live in a small town or in a big city?
I think I live in a small town. The name of the small town is Tasikmalaya.
Okay. And then explain more about Tasikmalaya.
Tasikmalaya is from Indonesia in West Java.
Okay.
Uh, Malaya is not too big. It has a small city that have some gangster and sundry inside the city.
Okay, great. And the second question is, what can people do for fun in your place in Tasikmalaya, Raka?
In Tasikmalaya, it has two types,
Hmm?
kabupaten and
City.
from the city. Yes,
Okay.
from kabupaten, maybe many people go to Sawah or Alam or see. Okay, repeat.
Okay.
It has two types,
Mhm.
the city and kabupaten.
Okay.
In the city, maybe people do for fun go to some mall or maybe go to another city.
Mhm.
But kabupaten maybe they do some liwat in the village or maybe go somewhere to uh, enjoy the view.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Interesting. And the last question is, in the future, do you have plan to move to another place like city, province, or country? Do you have?
Maybe no. But
No.
if I go to another country or maybe go to another city, I just go to search some new experience and new science, and I still want to live in this city or forever.
Okay. What's the reason?
Because I love this country.
Mhm.
Uh, because it's so many items that not too expensive but cheap.
Okay.
Can another big city like Bandung or Jakarta, I will give the example like if I buy teh gelas in Tasikmalaya,
Mhm.
the
Right.
price is only 1,000. But if I go to another country, Bandung or Jakarta, the teh gelas has bit different different price. In
Oh.
Jakarta or Bandung, it has 1,000 5,000. Okay,
Oh.
1,500.
Okay, got it. Interesting. Okay, Raka, thank you so
Yeah,
much for the speaking test in IELTS.
yeah,
And now please continue to the second part
you're
that is
welcome.
about speaking performance
Okay,
chart. Please show me.
okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let
Waalaikumsalam.
me introduce myself. Matraka Gafara Kurnia. I'm
Okay.
from LKP Mr. D, batch 24, place A. Okay, okay. First, the overview. Wait. I forgot the structure. What the first structure is?
Okay, just continue. Just explain the chart based on your opinion. I
Oh,
will tell about the chart that show the percentage of household. Langsung saja.
the chart graphic. What the chart or the graphic has show the percentage of household, of household in European country that had access the internet from 2000. and 2020 or user internet in Europe country.
Okay.
And, you know, over in the chart, show the graphic was grow up significantly
Mhm.
from 2000 until 2020 and hit the peak in 2020 with more than 95% user of the internet in Europe country. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, okay, I conclude. Okay. In 2000, we can see in the graphic,
Mhm.
it, the user is only 10%.
Okay.
Okay, it means not no much user in no much internet user in Europe city. Move to 2004. The graphic has the graphic was grew up from 10%. Okay, now from 2005 until 2010,
Mhm.
we can see now the graphic or the chart was increased significantly
Mhm.
from only 13 user or maybe not to 75% user of internet connection or Europe or household in Europe country that had access to internet. Okay, okay. The last part is the peak of user internet. We start from 2011. Okay, in 2011, it has um, 75% and grow and grow up slowly from only 25% to 80% to 80%. Uh, into okay in to 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 18 until to 17, the graphic was stable or not. It has no increase or decrease. It was set with only 95% user of internet. But in 2020, the graphic was hit the peak of the internet user with more 95% user and almost hit 100% of user in Europe country. I think that's all of my presentation. Thank you for all for miss to listening my presentation. I'm sorry if I have a bad grammar or maybe
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Alright.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, Raka, you have finished for this the both parts, yeah, for the first and second part. So thank you so much, and you have finished. You can leave the room. Thank you. Raka has finished.
Oh siap, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Okay.
Kita dengerin maaf. Oh,
Okay.
oh,
It's okay.
ada yang salah. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, boleh boleh. So now the second speaker we have Nizma. Please to open your camera.
Izin out ya, Miss.
Boleh.
Makasih ya, Miss.
Anytime, Raka. See you. Thank you.
Ya. Yo, see you.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi. Nizma, are you there?
Yes,
Okay, please to open your camera. Have you?
done.
Okay, Nizma, are you ready?
Inshallah ready.
Okay, Nizma, could you tell me your full name, please?
My full name is Nizma Athayan Hidayah.
Okay, what shall I call you?
Maybe Nizma or Rasi.
Okay, I will call you Nizma. Yeah, Nizma, where are you from?
Yes. I am from Cigalontang, Tasikmalaya, West Java.
Okay, Cigalontang. Can you show me your identification card? Okay, thank you. And now let's move to the first part in IELTS. Nizma, do you live in a small town or in a big city?
I live in a small town because I live in Cigalontang. Cigalontang is a beautiful area and not yet subcapital to Volusia.
Is there any others wanna tell?
The
Okay.
enough.
Okay. So now, what can people do for fun in your place in Tasikmalaya?
Maybe happy life in Cigalontang is to enjoy its natural beauty.
Okay. And then, enough?
Enough.
Okay. And the last question is, in the future, Nisma, do you have plan to move to another place?
Yes, I want to. I want to move to Palembang or Semarang because I find the city very peaceful in my opinion.
Okay, that's great. Peaceful. Okay, and now let's move to the second part that is about speaking performance chart. So please, are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay, please start now, Nisma.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis who has given me opportunity to be here. My name is Nizma Thaya from Class A, LKP Mr. D, Batch 24. Now I will present my topic is household. The graph illustrates the percentage of households with internet access in a European country from 2000 to 2020. Overall, internet access significantly increased. Starting slowly, it accelerated researching near universal access. In 2000, only 10% had access, rising to 30% by 2005. From 2005 until 2010, it jumped to 70%. The most rapid growth was from 2010 until 2015, researching over 90% by 2020. Access was almost 95%, showing near complete internet penetration. Enough, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, you have finished. Nisma, thank you so much. You have
Yes.
finished for both parts. And
Yeah.
you can leave the room. And
Yes.
thank you, Nisma.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss. I apologize if I have any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much, Nisma. You have finished. Okay. And now let's move to the third speaker. We have Bella. Please open your camera. Okay. Bella, are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay. And now let's move to the first part that is about speaking tests in IELTS. And the first question is, could you tell me your full name, please?
Okay, my full name is Sinta Bella Lestari.
Okay. How can I call you? What is your nickname?
You can call me Bella.
Bella. Okay. Bella, where are you from?
I'm from Singaparna, especially in Cintaraja.
Okay. Can you show me your identification card? Okay, accepted. Thank you, yeah. And now the first part in IELTS, the question is, do you live in a small town or in a big city?
I live in small town, especially in Singaparna, Cintaraja. Singaparna is a district of Tasikmalaya or West Java.
Okay.
Okay, enough.
Enough. Okay. The second question is, what can people do for fun in Singaparna?
People can do for fun in Singaparna. It can close to the Galunggung mountain tourism, and then it Gebu for sport or other events like other events.
And then
You know.
You know. Okay, the last question. Bella, in the future, do you have plan to move to another place or not? Please explain.
Someday I want to have a house in Bandung, especially in Dago or Braga, because the this because of the favorable weather and have vibes vintage and peaceful.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. And now let's move to the second part that is about speaking performance about chart. Are you ready? Okay, so please start now, Bella.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.
I would like to give the opportunity to be here. My name is Isabella Sari at LKPB Study Batch 24. Today I will present the percentage of houses in the European country that had internet from 2000 to 2020. Okay, we can see the use of internet keep growing. In 2000, few houses have internet, around 10%, but by 2020, almost every house already had it. And in 2002, about 20% of house house have internet, and this number went up to 40% in 2005 from 2005 to 2008, the growth was very fast, jumping to 70%. After that, internet access kept increasing, but not as fast as before. By 2012, more than 80% of houses have internet, and in 2015, it reached or achieved 90%. From 2017 to 2020 or 2020, the number almost stopped growing, staying at around 94 to 95%. In conclusion, internet use grow very quickly, especially between 2003 and 2008, and by 2020, almost all houses were connected. That's all from me. I apologize if I have any mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, Bella, you have finished for both parts, and then thank you so much. You can leave the room. Thank you, yeah. Bella finished. And now,
Me.
okay, let's move to the next speaker. We have Neisha. Are you there?
Udah, Miss.
Okay. Don't forget to open your camera. Okay, wait ya, di saya belum tampil. Okay, Neisha, are you ready?
Insya Allah ready, Miss.
Okay, let's start the first part in speaking test of IELTS. And the first question is, what is your full name?
My full name is Nisha Zahra.
Okay, how can I call you, or what is your nickname?
You can call me Nay or Nisha.
Okay, Neisha. Neisha, where are you from?
I'm from Singaparna, Tasikmalaya.
Okay, can you show me your identification card?
Yes.
Okay, accepted. Thank you. The first part in IELTS, the first question is, Neisha, do you live in a small town or in the big city?
I live in a small town in Tasikmalaya. Tasikmalaya is known as City of Santri.
And then
Enough, Miss.
enough. Okay. And then what can people do for fun in Tasikmalaya, Nisha?
In my opinion, holding on even August 17 with various games and that's win prizes, and also going to the supermarket like Transmart, Asia Plaza, or Jogja. They go to shopping and maybe go to play game like Amazon. Enough.
That's great. And the last question, in the future, Nisha, do you have plan to move to another place?
Yes, I want to move to South Korea so it can so I can to see my idol K-pop and Korean drama actor directly. And another reason is I don't like government here because it's not trustworthy and many corruption. In short, I want to move to country. I want to move a peaceful country. Is country have a trustworthy government and without corruption. Enough.
That's great. Okay. You have finished for the first part, and now let's move to the speaking performance that is about chart. Are you ready?
Really, Miss.
Okay, Nisha, please start now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to praise. I would like to praise. I would like to. Bentar, Miss. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Suci who has given me opportunity to be here. My name is Nisha Prajasha from Class A Level 2 Batch 24 in LKP Mr. D. I would to
Present.
apa ya, Miss namanya?
Present.
Yeah, I would like to present my speech entitled Household in a European Country That Had Access to the Internet Between 2000 and 2020. The chart illustrates household in a European country that had access to the internet between 2000 and 2020. Overall, 2010 and 2020, more people or households are accessing the internet compared to 2000 to 2009. Household in 2015 to 2020 access the internet more. Averaging 75% to 90% of households, followed by those households in 2010 to 2015 around 90% to 75%. In contrast, households around 2010 and earlier had less internet access, averaging only 10% to 75%. There was a dramatic increase in usage between 2003 and 2003 to 2009. Enough, Miss.
Okay, Nisha, you have finished. Thank you so much. Both parts you have finished, yeah. Okay, Nisha, you have finished. You can leave the room. Thank you so much and see you.
Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you, Miss.
Okay, see you. Now, let's move to the next participants. We have Layina. Time is yours. Please to open your camera. Are you ready, Layina?
I am ready.
Okay. The first part is about speaking test in IELTS. Oh, wait. Have you opened your camera? Okay. The first question is, could you tell me your full name, please?
My full name is Lainalin Karimaska Dakirina.
Okay. How can I call you? What is your nickname?
You can call me Ina or Lain.
Oh, Lion. Okay, Lion. Where are you from?
I'm from Singaparna, Tasikmalaya in West Java.
Ah, great. And then can you show me your identification card?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Okay, that's great. Accepted. Thank you. This is the first part in IELTS, and the question is, Lion, do you live in a small town or in the big city?
I live in a small town, and the small town has name Tasikmalaya, often mentioned to the city of Santri. Enough.
Okay. And what can people do for fun in Tasikmalaya?
People do for fun, playing at the mall or shopping. Tasikmalaya have famous mall, that is Asia Plaza, Transmart, and Jogja. Enough.
That's great. And the last, Lion, in the future, do you have plan to move to another place? Please explain.
I to I want I want to move Japan because in the Japan have a very beautiful place such as the mountain or the other.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much.
Enough,
You
please.
okay? You have finished for the first part, and now the second one. Please do the performance about chart. Lion, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, please start now.
Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Lion.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis who has given me opportunity to be here. I'm Lainalin Karimas Kadrina from Class A in LKP Mr. D Batch 24. I would like to present my speech in title Household with Internet Access in a Europe City. First, the bar chart illustrates how much percent of household with internet access in Europe's country 2000 until 2020. For overview, overall internet access increased significantly over the period start from in 2000 and increased steadily in 2020. For the details news from 2010 to 2010 to 2020, internet access in Europe countries increased drastically from 75 to 95. For the details latest, in contrast, 2000 to 2009, there was only a slight increase from 10% to 20% of internet access in Europe countries. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, you have finished. Thank you so much, Laina. Okay, you have finished both
Yes,
parts.
Miss Lu.
Thank you so much. You can leave the room. Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay,
Miss.
anytime. See you, ya, Laina. Okay, we have finished Laina checklist. And now, Aini, are you there?
Ya, Miss.
Okay, so please to open your camera.
Deketin.
Okay, wait, yeah. Okay.
Halo, Miss.
Okay, Aini, are you ready?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
ready.
Okay, good. This is the first part that is about speaking task in IELTS, and the first question is, could you tell me your full name, please?
My full name is Aini Srimulyati.
Okay, what can I call you?
You can call me Aini or Sri.
Okay, Aini or Sri. Okay, Aini, where are you from?
I'm from Sukarame, Tasikmalaya in West Java.
I see. Okay, can you show me your identification card?
This one.
Okay, accept it. Thank you, yeah. Okay, let's start the first part in speaking IELTS test, and the first question is, do you live in a small town or in a big city, Aini?
I live in a small town because on average my whole family lives in Tasikmalaya. Therefore, I live around my family. Enough.
Okay, what can people do for fun in Tasikmalaya, Aini?
Actually, there are many tourist attractions in Tasikmalaya, but there is a place that I think is beautiful, which is Ciparai Waterfall, because of its beauty that makes the place famous.
That's great. And the last, Aini, in the future, would you like to move to another place? Please explain.
I want to live, which is the city Bandung, because there are so many famous snacks that I want to try.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. And now let's move to the second part that is about speaking performance about chart. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so please start now.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
It's okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis, who has given me opportunity to be here. My name is Aini Srimulyati from Class A in LKP Mr. D Batch 24. I will present my speech. Internet access in Europe country. Europe country. The graphic show how many houses using access to the internet in Europe country between 2000 and 2020. Overall internet access among households increased significantly over the 2 decades, with the most rapid growth occurring in the early 2000s because reaching a plateau after 2015. In 2000, only around 10% of households had internet access. This number grew steadily, exceeding 30% in 2004 and reaching about 70% in the 2010, showing a rapid risk availability during the first decade. After 2010, growth slowed compared to the previous decade. By 2013, more than 80% of homes were connected, and the figure continued to climb, stabilizing at around 92 to 94% between 2016 and 2020. That's all from me. I apologize if I any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, Aini, you have finished for both parts, and then you have finished. You can leave the room. Thank you and see you. Bye.
Yeah, see you, Miss.
Okay, Aini, check this. Now let's move to the next participants. We have Frista. Are you there, Frista? Hello. Okay, so please to open your camera.
Okay. Sorry. Okay.
Okay, wait, yeah. Okay. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready, Miss.
Okay, so let's start the first part. This is about speaking fast in IELTS. And the first question is, what is your full name? Please tell me.
Thanks for the question. My full name is Frista Ayuning Rahayu. Frystha.
Okay, how can I call you? Or what is your nickname?
So I have several nicknames. My homies call me Ayu. For my friends, especially in junior high school and high school, call me Frista.
Okay, Frista, yeah. Where are you from, Frista?
I'm from Tasikmalaya, especially Cikadong, and Tasikmalaya is a comfy, warm town between Ciamis, Garut. It's
Okay. Can you show me your identification card?
Here's my student's card.
Okay, thank you and accept it. Okay, let's move to the first part in speaking IELTS. The first question is, do you live in a small town or in the big city, Frista?
I think I live in a big city. Why I say that Tasikmalaya is a big city? Because if I compare it to Ciamis, I believe that Tasikmalaya is bigger than Ciamis.
Okay, and then any others wanna say?
I think that's all.
Okay, and the second question is, what can people do for fun in Tasikmalaya?
In Tasikmalaya, there are a lot of fun here. You can go to nature or you can go to some modern stuff like mall, playground, or anything. But if you want to nature things, there are a lot of mountain, hill, or maybe what is that? Waterfall in here.
Ah, I see. Okay. And then in the future, would you like to move to another place or not? I mean, like, please explain.
Yes, I do. I want to move from here maybe because for the cities, I will move to Garut because there are a lot of mountain there, and I love to hike mountain. Or maybe for another city, I want to move to Yogyakarta because it is very warm and I love historical stuff. For the countries, maybe I want to move to Thailand because I want to live and work there as English lecturer. I see when people talk to Thailand, they can't use the accent. They still use their accent or an English word.
Okay. Is there any others wanna say? Enough?
Enough.
Okay. Thank you so much. You have finished for the first part, and now let's move to the second part. That is speaking performance about chart. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So please start now. Please start.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
How do you feel today?
Good. How about you?
I'm well. Thanks for asking. So now, I'm Frista Ayuning Rahayu from LKP Master D, Class A, Batch 24. And now, I will explain you the chart that given by Mr. Azhar last week. So, the chart reveals houses in an European country that has access to internet between 2000 and 2020. Overall, the chart shows a good progress every year. The highest point appears in 2020 that almost touched 100%. with average 4% growth every year.
Good.
And it's really different if we compare to time when it started at 2000. There is only half 10% houses in European country that can access internet. Thank you.
Finished? Okay.
That's all. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. That's really great. That's so clear. And then Krista, you have finished for both parts. Thank you so much. Yeah. See you next meeting. You can leave the room. See you. Bye.
Okay, thanks, Miss. It's such an honorable moment to meet you.
Okay, see you. Krista, yeah. Okay, now we have the next participants here. Resi, are you there?
Here, Miss.
Okay, Resi, please to open your camera. Sorry. Okay, Resi, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, so let's start the first part in speaking test in IELTS. And the first question is, please tell me about your full name. Please.
Okay, my full name is Resi Nur Utami.
Okay, how can I call you?
You can call me Eci or Resi.
Okay, Resi, where are you from?
I'm from Tasikmalaya in Cikalontan.
I see. Okay, can you show me your identification card?
Of course, this is my student.
Okay, accepted. Thank you. Okay, let's start the first part in speaking IELTS. And the first question is, do you live in a small town or in a big city, Resi?
I live in Tasikmalaya. I think Tasikmalaya is a small town.
Okay.
Tasik called the city of country
Mm.
because it there a lot of Islamic school or pesantren. Tasik also have many beautiful nature. Enough.
Okay. Next, what can people do for fun in Tasikmalaya, Resi?
People can do for fun in Tasik to go to net. For example, I recommend to Galunggung because in Galunggung there's so many activities you can do, like swim, playing with your friends, help your family, and also now in Galunggung there's you can drive jeep to explore nature in Galunggung.
Ah, I see. Okay, good. Resi, in the future, do you have plan to move to another place? Please explain.
Yes, actually I want to move this place because I need to live in Bandung. I think I want to live in Bandung because I'm interested to the city of Bandung. There's many delicious culinary, and I also have plans in that city for new experience.
Ah, that's great. Okay, you have finished for the first part, and now let's move to the second part that is about speaking performance about chart. Are you ready?
Pretty miss.
Okay, please start now, Resi.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis who has given me an opportunity to speak my speech presentation. Okay, I would like to present my speech about the chart. The chart represents about percentage of family in Europe that have network access from 2000 until 2020. In general, goes by in European countries, network has increased slightly. First, in 2000, the chart shows that internet access only 10%. It means less than 2001. Whereas in 2020, the network is in peak. Meanwhile, when 2018 until the percentage is stay updated. Enough, please.
Finished?
Finish.
Okay. Thank you so much, Resi. You have finished both parts. And then you can leave the room. See you and yeah, see you, Resi. Thank you, yeah.
Good. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, anytime. See you, Resi. Okay. And now let's move to the next participants. We have Alia. Are you there?
Yeah, yes, Miss. I'm here.
Okay, please to open your camera, Alia.
Yes,
Okay, wait.
I'm here.
Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, let's start our speaking examination. This is the first part about IELTS, yeah. The first question is, please tell
Okay.
me about your full name.
My name is Alia. My full name is Alia Faiza Kula Azmina PS.
Okay. How can I call you?
You can call me Alia or Al or Ye, like that.
Okay. Where are you from, Alia?
I'm from Sariwangi. I'm from Sariwangi in Cibatu.
I see. Okay. Can you show me your identification card? Like
Yes.
identification card.
Yeah. Yeah. Table. The card in the no, the card illustration. How many house in Europa use internet in
No.
two
Wait. Oh yeah. Stop.
in 2000.
Stop. Okay. I asked, can you show me your identification card? Identification card. ID. Identification card. You know, like KTP. Can you show me?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, please.
It's like
Okay, please show me.
like
Okay, that is yours. Okay, thank you so much. Accept it.
I'm
So now let's start the first test, speaking test about IELTS. And the first question is, Alia, do you live in a small town or in the big city?
I live in small town Tasikmalaya. Tasikmalaya is city of Santri and Tasikmalaya have um what have Islamic school name is Pesantren.
Okay, I see. Okay, the next. What can
Okay.
people do for fun in Tasikmalaya, Alia?
They can traveling to they can traveling to a fun place like Asia Plaza to shopping court or go to eat hit noodle in Gachoan or can go to a special destination like that.
Okay, good. And the last, Alia, in the future, would you like to move to another place? Please explain.
Mm, so, uh, so I wish move to other country like Japanese or Swiss because in that place have a not have a good view and have a good view and have a good view and saw I saw film bad in Indonesia because now Indonesia has a bad politics and government like that.
I see. Wow, that's great. Okay,
Yeah.
we have finished for the first part. Now let's continue to the second part. That is about speaking performance, about chart. Are you ready, Alia?
Yang ini bukan yang tabel
Ya,
yang
bukan
naik
tabel,
itu.
chart, betul.
Ya.
Chart, ya. Oke,
Oh ya.
please.
The
Okay.
The card illustration, how many house in Europa, country internet use age and year, from 2000. Overall, internet use increased rapidly, among Europa, uh, household,
Yeah, household.
household, growing rapidly, itu namanya rapidly from 2000 to stopping in 2013. How increased from 2014. 2014. Um, um, from from two from 2000 from 2002, there was a rapid in increase increase for increase from 50%, 15% to 2013, as much as 88%. Then finally, repeat the line in 2014, of 90% until the following year. And enough.
Finished?
Finished.
Okay. Oh yeah, you have finished for both parts, for speaking IELTS and speaking performance of chart. Yeah, thank you so much. You can
Yes, thank you.
Okay, you can lift it up and see you. Alia. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss. See you.
Okay, see you, Alia. Thank you. Okay, and now the last participant here, Agas. Guess what? Are you there?
Yes, Miss, I'm here.
Okay. Agas, are you ready?
Pertanyaan-pertanyaan IELTS-nya itu apa aja sih, Miss?
Okay, the question, let it flow aja ya, sambil berjalan. Is it okay?
Oh yeah, so yeah,
Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay, good. So, Agas, let's start the speaking test of IELTS. This is the first part. And the first question is, can you tell me your full name, please?
Okay, my name is Muhammad Jazwan Abdul Jabbar. You can call me Agas or anything you want. But yeah, Agas. Call me Agas.
Okay. How can I call you? What is your name?
Oh yeah, you can call me Agas, sir. Miss.
Okay, Agas. Agas, where are you from?
I'm from in a small town, Kabupaten Tasikmalaya. It's in Mangunreja, town Singaparna, Kecamatan Mangunreja.
I see. Okay. Can you show me your identification card?
Okay. Wait me.
Okay. Okay.
Business.
Okay, I see. Accepted. Thank you. Yeah. Now let's move to the first part in
Yes.
speaking IELTS, and the first question is, Agas, do you live in a small town or in the big city?
I live in small town, Miss. In a small town in Kabupaten Tasikmalaya, exactly in a kecamatan Mangunreja.
Please explain more about Mangureja.
Mangunreja,
Okay.
I think, is it the big jalan apa, Miss?
A road or street?
Uh, Big road to go to Bandung. You can pass Mangunreja if you want to go to Bandung. Mangunreja has forest, forest in Kabupaten, uh, forest in Kabupaten, and Mangunreja have a school middle apa? SD tenis, apa lagi SD
Like
teh?
elementary school?
Elementary school and SMP,
Junior high school?
middle school, junior high school, middle school, and high school.
Okay, good.
Mangunreja has it. Hmm.
Okay, and now, Agas, what can people do for fun in Mangureja?
I think in Mangunreja, yeah, you can doing sports in a stadion. You can do like run or jogging and doing something to see how beautiful pemandangan tadi, Miss?
Our view.
How beautiful view to see Ciulan, yeah, I think. Yeah, for me time or family time, it's good in evening time,
Okay.
like after asar until before maghrib, yeah, when sunset going down, it's very beautiful. If it doesn't rain,
Right.
yeah, I think
Okay, got
in the
it.
stadion.
I see. Okay. And the last,
Yeah.
Agas, in the future, do you have plan to move to another place? Please explain.
I think when I grow up, I wanna live in just in Tasikmalaya, but I went go to Bandung for school, for to be a doctor, but I want to live in Tasikmalaya. I just because my family in here, I can so long distance relationship with my parents.
Okay.
I want so close with them because yeah, they are all so old.
Oh,
Yeah.
got it. Okay, thank you
Okay.
so much. You have finished for the first part, and now let's move to the second part about speaking
Okay.
performance, about chart. Have you?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, so please start
Wait,
now.
lihat charger dulu ya.
Okay,
Charger mana ya?
chartnya ada di grup. I have chart.
Oh ya.
Okay. Oh, why he's left?
Kehapus misalnya.
It's okay. Wait.
The chart below show the percentages of household in European country that had access to internet between 2000 and 2020.
Okay, good.
Okay. The chart show internet access in household in European country between 2020. In general, internet use it start very low in 2000 and become almost 100% in 2020. In 2000, only about 10% of uh, of homes had the internet. This rose quickly to about 35% in 2005. This year.
Yeah, 2005, yeah.
And then to around uh, 75% in 2010. After 2010, the growth was slower by 2015. About 90% of homes are connected, and by 2020, the number was about 95%. Internet access
Okay,
udah deh, Miss.
finished?
Ya,
Okay,
finish.
so almost reach 100%, yeah, in 2020, like,
Yeah, almost
okay, good.
95%.
Totally right. Okay, Agas, you have finished for both parts, yeah. The first part, the IELTS, you have finished, and the second part about speaking performance chart, you have finished also. Thank you so much. You can leave the room and
Yeah.
see you, Agas.
Okay.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum. Bye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. Okay, Rafa, let me introduce myself. My name is Aidelis, is your examiner in the speaking test in IELTS. And the first question for you is, could you tell me about your full name, please?
My full name is Muhammad Rafa Mahmud.
Okay, how can I call you?
You can call me Rafa.
Great. Where are you from, Rafa?
I'm from Peru Mega Mutiara Tasik Regency in Cibuni Gelis, Bungur Sari.
Ah, great. Can you show me your identification card? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Accepted. Yeah, thank you. And now, let's move to the speaking test in IELTS Part 1. And the first question is, Rafa, do you live in a small town or in the big city?
I live in small town.
Okay. Explain.
Okay, because in my town is dominated by rice field, and there's no building that higher height, and there's a lot of tree and no shop that I think like mall and like shopping. Yeah,
You know. Okay. The second question is, what can people do for fun in your place, Rafa?
in my place there is Gunung Galunggung
Hmm?
that you can go. If you start in my home, you can go only 15 minutes. Use motorcycle or and there you can swimming, and there is a hot pool,
Spring.
and then and there in this place it have like nature side that you can see is very beautiful, and you can see like kawah
Okay.
in Gunung Galunggung.
Hmm?
You can go uh, in the mountain.
Hmm?
You can you must walk in stair. That stair is like 300 eh, 300 stairs, and there is two way that the color the blue color stairs there is six 600 stairs, and the yellow stairs is only 300.
Oh, okay. Wow, just know. Okay, and now the last question is, Rafa, in the future, do you have plan to move to another place? Please explain.
I don't think I want to go to another country because in the city I prefer in my city because I don't want to separate with my parents. Like I want to help my parents. Like uh, yes, I want to stay with my parents in the
Okay,
city.
good. Okay, in your city. Okay, that's great. We have finished for the first part. And now let's continue to the second part about speaking of performance about chart. Okay, Rafa, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so please start now.
Di share dulu Miss ininya.
No, it's
Buat
okay.
apa?
Langsung saja. You don't need to share.
Oh ya.
Okay, langsung saja.
So let's take a look in this graph, in this chart.
Okay.
We can see this graph is about percentage of household
Okay.
with internet access in European country from 2000 to 2020.
Okay.
So in first year in 2000, we can see that it's only 10% percentage of household with internet access. In the next year is 2001, it's increased a little bit.
Okay.
Like I think it's like 3% or 4%. So we can see that the graph is increased following years with gradual increase. In the final in 2020, it was the peak where household used the internet, reaching 90%.
Okay.
So I think in this year in 2025, it's like already 100%.
Oh.
I think that means
Okay, that's great. Rafa, you have finished for both tests, yeah, for speaking IELTS and speaking performance about chart also. You can leave the room. Thank you so much. See you and yeah, bye. Okay, thank you so much, Rafa. Okay, Tiara, are you ready? Okay, don't forget to unmute your microphone.
Oh iya,
Okay. Are you ready, Tiara?
ready Miss Inshallah.
Okay, let's start the first test or the first part that's about speaking IELTS. And the question is, could you tell me your full name, please, Tiara?
My name is Tiara Huayna Putri Desja.
Okay, how can I call you?
You call me Titi or Yaya.
Okay, Titi. Where are you from?
Kamulya in Singaparna, Tasikmalaya.
Okay, can you show me your identification card?
Identification part.
Identification
Small.
card. No. Identification card, you know. Can you show me identification card? Identification card. Can you show me? For example,
Identification.
like KTP, you know.
Oh, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Good, accepted. Thank you, yeah. Now, let's move to the first question in speaking IELTS. And the question is, Tiara, Titi, do you live in a small town or in the big city?
I live in a small town because in my town, not there, there is a building long and house, and many mounts and not jalan. Yes, enough.
Okay, good. And now, what can people do for fun in your place, Tiara?
in my place, if want happy, there is a night market, waterfall, and Galunggung Mount. Uh, 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 or if we can happy and kaya and uh, we can go to waterfall, Galunggung Mount, or night market.
Ah, great. And now the last question. Titi, in the future, would you like to move to another place? Please explain.
Uh, I I wish to I stay no I to go to Mecca and can live in there because I can perform umrah and can pray to in Masjidil Haram Masjid.
Oh, amin. Wow, that's great.
Amin.
Titi, you have finished for the first part about speaking IELTS, and now let's move to the second part, yeah? About speaking performance, about
Okay.
chart. Okay, chart. Are you ready?
Okay. Ready, Miss.
Okay, please
Inshallah.
start now. Okay.
The chart proves the percentage of family in a Arab country connected to the internet since 2000 until 2020.
Okay.
In general, lately, many homes are connected to the internet compared to the beginning of 2000.
Mm,
Down.
okay.
Why? Because of technology advances like broadband access, faster and more reliable. The rise like a comment and social media that depend on internet connection, and the fact the internet infrastructure is now captured and more widely available. The patterns suggest that periodically keep rising gradually, while since 2018 until 2019 still equal. Family from 2009 until 2020 direct, have a lot of internet connection, from 70% until 96%. In compared from 2000 until 2009,
Okay.
direct decrease use of internet connected families from 10% until 65%. Enough.
Okay, that's great, Tiara. Thank you so much. You have finished for both parts, yeah? Speaking IELTS and speaking performance also. You have finished. You can leave the room. Thank you so much and see you, Tiara. Bye.
Thank you, Miss. Sorry. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Okay.
yeah. See you.
Ya, siap. See you, Miss.